Alright, so we got a irobot roomba here. It's a pet series 562. Got included with it is a commanding remote, 3 virtual walls, actually 3 including this one, and dustbins, 1 aero vac, 1 high capacity, and 1 with an original filter. We got a charger and a docking station, 5 spare filters for the original, 5 spare 3-legged brushes, 2 aerovac filters, got a beater and a Bristol, another set. This one is brand new, these are gently used. We have 2 cleaners for the brushes. The 562 has a set of brushes inside of it. They're barely used, very good condition. A 6-legged brush that's new. The bin that's very clean. There's the barcode right there. This is the aerovac. It's also new filter inside of it. The high capacity bin is very clean. This robot was purchased and set off into storage. Was barely used, and the battery inside of it runs over 2 hours of non-stop use and 2 hours to recharge it, but it's a lot of time for it to run. The battery's very strong and healthy. And after it's done, it will return back to the docking station. You could use the high capacity bin for your pet hair that's laying around, or big pieces of dirt. The aerovac cleans out the air very well. It's really good for allergy people and for pets too. The original is what everybody uses most of the time. So this big set of a robot pet series, everything's included, everything on the video, everything on the pictures. The robot is in full working order. There's some videos that demonstrate that, so good luck. Hope you